Hey everybody, what's going on? It's me, John D. Villarreal. Today we're talking about the Artify Desktop Painting Easel with wooden palette. Very, very cool. We like this a lot. My daughter is a big time artist. She loves to draw, paint, anything and everything, and just cranks out the material super fast, super great. I might show you some examples here in a second. You know, she can do things very rapidly. So having something that helps her out and gives her a platform basically to do her stuff is awesome. First, I'd say a few things. Number one, this video is not sponsored by Artify or anybody else. Number two, this is a gift from my mom to our family, really my daughter. And number three, these are our own true honest pins. Now here you can see kind of what this looks like here. You got a lot of different, so it's pretty hefty. Here you can see what it looks like. And it's really nice. It's actually pretty fancy here. So that folds right here. You've got the nice, this is good craftsmanship. The other thing I like about this too is you've got this nice handle here. Okay, it's not too heavy, so it's definitely tough. And you have like the little sort of stoppers, if you will. I don't know exactly what you want to call them here at the bottom here, and to help sort of stabilize it. Here you've got, this will come right up and this will go right down, and then there is your easel, so you can do that. You can adjust this different levels. From here you've got a latch, and you can unlatch this, and this will probably reveal, there you go, a place to kind of keep some of your supplies and stuff.
It's the palette, actually.
Yeah, this is the palette, but also you can keep your pens and pencils in here, markers, whatever you might do in there. Very nice. So here you can put your stuff, and you can kind of put that together there. It's very cool. It's very cute. I think it's nice. Salma, what do you think about this? You're definitely the artist in the family along with Janair.
So I love it because Janair had an easel, but like, you know, she had to be like standing all the time while she's like, you know, drawing, and sometimes she gets tired. While with this portable tabletop wooden easel, it's just very convenient, very easy to use. She can keep all her art supplies inside, like, you know, the easel, especially if we are on the road and she just wanna like
right. That's a huge huge concept.
Great for traveling.
Yeah, totally.
It's great, like, you know, to bring it wherever you want to go. If you want to do like I don't know, a drawing in the nature,
yes,
bring it with you. And
it
does like kind of, you know, drawings. So again, it's very convenient. It's very sturdy. I like it. I like the material that is made of.
Definitely very classy. Yeah.
Yeah, very, very, very sophisticated and very like.
Where would you rate this on a 1 to 10?
I'm gonna rate this 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. We really love this a lot. It's very good. As a quick example, here's some of the pictures that my daughter does, and she just rips these out really quickly, just some of the art. So having this as on an easel is something that would really be good. So for example, might as well just show you anyway, you can see right here how you could work that in right there, which is nice. Okay, so that's really, really cool. You have your sketch pad there, whatever. So again, as Salma says, I think this is great. We're saying 10 out of 10. This is for the Artify Desktop Painting Easel with wooden palette. Our family loves it. Your family may love it as well. For Salma, I'm John. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.